What if I only need a few areas cleaned before selling, like bathrooms and kitchen?
That's totally fine. At Clean House Melbourne, we offer customized presale cleaning packages that match your property's exact needs, not one size fits all. We often receive requests for bathroom-only deep cleans before photography, kitchen detailing including oven and appliance cleaning, entryway refresh, floors, windows, front porch, light surface cleaning when the home is already staged or styled. You can book us to focus on key buyer impact zones, kitchens, bathrooms, living areas, high traffic areas or visible marks, just a few rooms or specific tasks like oven clean, dusting, window polish. Minimum booking applies. 2 cleaners times 5 hours equals 10 hours total, but those hours can be strategically used however you like. Pro tip, a pristine kitchen and bathroom make the biggest impression in real estate. If you're short on time or budget, let us help you prioritize the areas that add the most buyer value.